to check the strength of the current price movement, we want to check the little candle nuance to see the range of where the day traders are trading at. The common range is the moving averages. So what I have is the all EMAs. This is 9 EMA, this is 15, this is 30, 60, and this is 200. So until 200 we're just doubling, and we're using EMA because EMA waits the period right before the current one, so it tracks closer. The full formula is for example, this price times the multiplier. Multiplier is the 2 divided by the number of, so if this is 9 EMA, 9 plus 1 plus the previous one times the 1 minus the multiplier, the same thing, 2 divided by the period, like 9 plus 1. So it weighs right before, so it tracks a little bit more smoother, I guess. But anyway, we use that to check the range. So if we look at here first, this was just not even chasing any of the moving averages, but starting here we're getting the range here. We're getting rejected at the 9, and the next one we get rejected at 15. So we already now we see we're gaining strength upwards now, because first it was rejected at 9, now 15, next one 15 again. Now look at this one, we hit the next one, the 30, and we hit the 60. So this is one way to see where the strength is, so that whether exiting the position or entering the position, this could prove useful. And usually when this thing happens, these three are actually pretty strong. That's why I have a little bit thicker lines. It's very likely to get rejected or bounce from these two EMAs. Off of 200, which is the thickest line I have here, it's almost certain that it will bounce or get rejected into the other direction until the next time. Simple moving average, the regular MA or SMA, is just adding up all the close of the period. So if this is 9 SMA, this is just adding all this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 9, and then dividing it by 9. So it's simpler to get the moving average line, but it's equal distribution, so it doesn't read what's happening like here. For example, if this dropped like $10 here, it would just average out within those 9 periods. It's not going to consider that right here there was insane movement. So it's better to have something that's weighted, that's more relevant to the current trading price. We still have a stronger momentum here, so I would think that this would actually hit the 200, pop to 200 before really dropping. So I think it'll form the double top here and go past this 60. So it is popping up to 200, but at 200 it's not too great to hold it. So it seems like it's not going to go past, just going to hit it. So I am, well, the momentum's still there, so I am just still holding my position. There we go. So on the next drop of the momentum, I'm going to leave. But I don't think there is a huge window to exit. 200 EMA, almost definite that it'll either bounce or get rejected because the orders are already put in there, and that's like a swing target for probably this swing, and also the double top. So this is almost definite, but seeing the momentum is kind of dying now. Yeah, so I think that's it for this one. After this candle, probably it's not gonna make it. So it could be the other way. If you are trying to enter the trend, which is clearly going down today, then you could wait until this fills up and hit. So just like how people are actually selling over here, you could put the orders ahead and maybe take the short position. But if you are taking this short position because of this 200 bounce, it's best to set the range a little bit tight, so 200 to maybe 30. So now the strength has reversed, that it was trading between, so after it created certain range, now they traded inside of those between 15 and 30, 15 and 30, and then what is this, 30 and 60 up to 200. They push it up to 200, and then next one traded 60 to 200. Now they're trading here. So this is how you could see the strength of the price action by the small nuance of the candle movements. If you took that 200 EMA short position down to 30 EMA, you won. And now we could clearly see where the price strength is after the small run here. This is how we catch the run or hold out the position.